What's up geeks and welcome back to iGeeksblog. This is Samir and in today's video, let's talk about customizing your iPhone and making it truly yours. And what is the best way to do that? Well, changing wallpapers. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you top 5 free aesthetic wallpapers app which you need to download today on your iPhone. First is Vellum. This app offers gorgeous collection of wallpapers unlike any other. There are more than 20 categories featuring work from some of the best artists on the internet. Vellum also has a daily wallpaper feature, so you can always discover something fresh. If you have OLED iPhone display, you'll get even better experience with this app because the wallpapers are specifically designed to look great on those screens. Plus, the interface is clean and easy to use. There are some ads at the bottom of the screen, but they are not intrusive. There is also a premium version that gets rid of those ads and give you access to 4 weeks of daily wallpaper. Next is Backdrop. This is one of the most popular app on this list as this offers a huge selection of wallpapers including material, minimal and of course glitch. There are also a ton of categories to browse through and an Explore tab offers new wallpapers all the time. Backdrop also has a Wall of the Day section which is curated by the developer themselves. There's even a community section where users can upload their own wallpapers. Before you download a wallpaper, the app will show you the size and resolution, which is a nice touch. Backdrop is easy to use and wallpapers are easy to set. But there can be some intrusive ads. There's a pro version that unlocks some more wallpaper categories, disable ads and give you access to some other features. Walli is another impressive app and it is the only app which I use personally, and let me tell you one secret. Most of the wallpapers you ask from us are downloaded from this app. Walli is one-stop solution for every wallpaper need. You can not only download static wallpaper, but you can also download live wallpapers as well. Not only that, you can also download depth effect wallpapers directly from this app. This app is not done over here because Walli supports AI and can generate wallpapers from your prompts. So simply input your prompt and see your imagination become a reality. Don't want AI? Well, there are a lot of other categories you can explore and find that one perfect wallpaper you're looking for. One for Wall is another very good wallpaper app and it has a ton of wallpapers to choose from with a unique trick up its sleeves. One for Wall is a bit unique due to the ability to edit wallpapers on the go. Select a wallpaper from a category and you will have wallpapers resolution and you can favorite them for faster access, and you can also check the color palette of the wallpaper. And lastly, you can edit them as well. You can change the color hue of the wallpaper. You can also set the saturation, you can tweak the brightness as well as you can also set blur according to your preferences. This app has clean user-friendly interface and it is worth checking out, and not only that, you can also download 8K wallpapers for your PC, though you need to buy premium for most of the 8K wallpapers. This app is my recent finding and I love using this app, and the best part is that I can edit those wallpapers according to my needs. And lastly, we have Pixs. It is also one of the recent findings, but trust me, it has one feature which no other app on this list supports. And that is a way to preview how wallpaper will look with all your apps on the home screen. This is the common dilemma a lot of people face and Pixs finally solved it. Pixs also offer a great collection of wallpaper and you can even customize them by adding filters. This app has a clean and minimal interface which you will enjoy using. And this app is also worth checking out. And do let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Have you been using any one of these? And if you have any other suggestion, do let me know right below there. And it is regardless to say that all the links of these apps will be in the description, so make sure you check it out. And while you're down there, make sure you press the subscribe button, press the bell icon as well so that you get notified on each and every video we post. And of course, if you like this content and if you like our listicles, then make sure you press the like button as well and let YouTube know that we are doing some good work. And in the meanwhile, you can go to the App Store, download iGeeksblog app, enjoy everything Apple content as well as some amazing wallpapers. Yes, we also do offer wallpapers, so make sure you check them out as well. On this note, this is me Samir signing off and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye.